Edo Deputy Govunor Engineer Marvelous Omobayo say the developmental strides of Governor Godwin Obaseki-led administration na evidence for continuity and consolidation of the PDP and its candidates for the upcoming gubernatorial election for the state. The Deputy Governor talked this one when he received chairman of the 18 local government councils for him office. Omobayo can describe the performance of Obaseki for the last 7 years as monumental. Con talk say the incoming PDP administration go build upon Governor Obaseki's achievements come November 12. He can express optimism say PDP go win the governorship election.
By the grace of God, when you have 18 local government chairmen, 192 councillors, you be sure that if properly, of course they are active, if they were not active, they wouldn't have won elections. So it was a 100% victory, and we expect that we are going to reciprocate that in September. So basically, we're here to familiarize, re-strategize, and provide a framework that will guide us in the process. Like I said in my acceptance speech that the government does so well. It's a plan that nobody can take a door back. It's a proper design, a work in progress, which we are proud to be part of. We will try our best to finish well with him. But beyond finishing well with him, government is a continuum. It's a continuation. He has set you can see the economical group, political group in the state. If you take it 8 years ago, you will know, you can immediately feel what the governor has done and his team. But what we need is, see, the person of Aswa Godolo and the barrister who has always been around the government, you can be sure that it's going to be, you get a triple effect in the affirmative. It's going to be, they are not learning on the job at all. These guys have been around, and because we have a wonderful, it's not easy to assemble a plan for a state, a happy state like Edo. He didn't just assemble it. The implementation is, for me, it's over 60%. And with the caliber of persons we just mentioned now, taking the PDP in Edo State after November swearing, PDP as a brand in Nigeria will be something everybody will want to identify with. That's what I can tell you. Thank you.
Chamo, Association of Local Governments of Nigeria, ALGON, Edo State Chapter, will also be Chamo of Orion Council. Honorable Newman Ugebe can talk on behalf of other Chamo wey join body for the visit say dem go see the Deputy Governor for in office to demonstrate their solidarity and perfect strategies on how best they go fit win the governorship election.
This is very important to the 18 local government chairman and His Excellency the Deputy Governor of Edo State. We are here to come and give our support as a number 2 citizen, and we are number 1 citizen of our various localities, and to also discuss on things that can move our developmental stride in our states forward. And knowing that the election is around the corner as well, it's an opportunity for us to discuss with the Deputy Governor, to strategize together, put things across all various local government and see what we can do together in collaboration with his office in working to make sure that the next election we are victorious. And also as a party, things we can put in place to make our party stronger. So it's all about a family affair, and I'm happy it ended well, and we will use the results in the next 4 months. People of Edo State, my message to them is, now that the election is coming the 21st of September, is to make sure that they rally around our governor like what they did in 2020, that gave us a victory across the 18 local government. And the governor has done so well since 2020. And now that we want to go into an election to produce a successor who is to continue the good work His Excellency has done. So I use this medium to plead with the people of Edo State that the Togbarians and the Togba family of 2024, this is the time of 2020, this is the time to bring it on board. And this time to make sure that the victory that we're going to get come 21st of September would be bigger than what we saw in 2020.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Chidima Onwebu, TMC TV News.